Hello and welcome. So, what is natural hygiene? This philosophy I am so passionate about, this universal wisdom I'm so eager to share with you. The first and most important thing to understand is that natural hygiene is not man-made. It is as old as life itself. It was not created by someone who came up with some diet plan seeking fame or profit by selling books or giving lectures. No, this is Mother Nature we're talking about. When I discovered the teachings of natural hygiene, I was instantly and deeply captivated. This philosophy is built upon the natural laws of life. Again, not invented by humans, but inherent in nature, just like the law of gravity. These laws support a natural equilibrium when we follow the guidelines set by our Earth Mother. Natural hygiene is the only healthcare system rooted in the physiological laws of life, specifically the maintenance of nerve energy. This energy is essential to keep our biological system fully charged, so it can perform its most important task, besides breathing, removing toxins from the body. These toxins are the primary cause of disease, whether chronic or life-threatening. As I explained in another video, we are constantly exposed to toxins that threaten our natural balance. Our immune system can only handle so much. When any system is pushed beyond its limits, it weakens and eventually breaks down. This is the natural law of cause and effect. It determines whether we live in vibrant health or struggle with illness and fatigue. Natural hygiene teaches that by living in harmony with nature's laws, we can avoid an unnatural condition called toxemia, a buildup of toxins in the body that leads to a gradual decline in health and ultimately disease. It also shows us that the body has an innate ability to heal itself. We interfere too often. We need to trust the body's intelligence and allow it to do its work. Pharmaceuticals often act as band-aids, addressing symptoms rather than the root cause of imbalance. I believe humanity is approaching an inevitable realization that nature's wisdom is intricately connected to our well-being and happiness. It's a connection we must nurture and restore if we desire a healthier, more sustainable world where all of us can thrive. Thank you.